The place is home to some of Asia's wettest places, lengthy caves, scenic lakes, natural bridges, and beautiful waterfalls. I'm talking about the Scotland of the East, the home of clouds, the land of waterfalls. Tucked away in the hills of eastern sub-Himalayas is Meghalaya. Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, is approx 100 kilometers from Guwahati, a journey of about 2.5 hours. There are a lot of beautiful, extraordinary places to explore in Shillong. I wasn't able to cover everything, but tried covering some important spots. Here's a truly fascinating destination that would keep on surprising you with its unexplored gems. Officially declared as a tourist space in the year 2010, the Garden of Caves is a hidden gem of East Khasi Hills. The caves are a natural habitat that has been created by seasonal waterfalls. And the history of the Garden of Caves goes back to British rule in India. During British rule, the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya used to hide in the caves from the invasion of the British soldiers. One can visit the caves any time during the year. However, if you want to enjoy the waterfalls, the best time to visit the place would be in the months of August, September, and October. Mausawa Waterfalls in Cherrapunji is again one of the eye-catching waterfalls. And October, for me, I think is the best time to visit Cherrapunji. The rain would be less and the waterfalls will be in their full flow. Commonly referred to as Barapani Lake by the locals, the Umyam Lake has been praised for its beauty and serenity. Umyam Lake is a man-made reservoir and is one of the most visited sites of Shillong. It's the best place for water activities. The lake being surrounded by Khasi hills and lush green forest, scenic views are guaranteed. One of the most famous tourist spots in northeast India is Shillong's Elephant Falls. This waterfall was named by Britishers after a rock at its bottom, which appears like an elephant. These falls are three-layered and look beautiful during the monsoon season. It is the highest peak of Shillong, and it is said that Shillong gets its name from the Shillong Peak itself. It gives a breathtaking view of the entire city, the Himalayas, its waterfalls, as well as of the Bangladesh plains.